This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Mabry. Welcome to the mountains. This perfect 3-bedroom, 3-bath cabin awaits your need to escape, explore, or just get away from the bustle. Situated on a combined lot in the gated Coosawattee River Resort, this split-bedroom floor plan offers 2 master ensuites on the main level. Relax in the spacious open great room, enjoy entertaining in the updated kitchen, or a quiet evening on the private screened porch. A lower-level den offers flexibility for an office or playroom and features a corner gas log fireplace. Separate addt'l bedroom and full bath on this level also. Newly stained, plenty of parking, plus drive under garage. Can't beat the amenities included in POA fee, including gated security, indoor pool, pickleball courts, workout facility, fishing, parks, and direct river access. Plus downtown Ellijay, wineries, shopping, and dining are all only minutes away. For more information,